Happy Vlogmas Day 5. This is what I woke up to this morning. There's snow everywhere. And it is kind of cold. Hello. So did you see that snow? Well, it's all stopped. And it might not stay, but anyways, yeah, it was very pretty early this morning. It is a couple hours later now. I've gotten myself up and ready, and I'm down here now getting ready to get some work done. But first, let's do the advent calendar. So today is day 5. On day 5, it says friendly garment care reminders. Let's see. These little windows are really hard to get into. All right. Oh, this is cute. Let's hang. So, oh, hold on. There's another side to this. Please hang me up. Oh, I like that. That's really cute. All right, so I'm off work today, and the plan is to do some recording of another tutorial that's supposed to go up on the channel next week sometime. It's a longer one. It's a little bit more involved, so I want to get it recorded, or at least parts of it recorded early, so I'm not rushing through things. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm also expecting my Think Pink box today. It never got delivered yesterday. Thank you, UPS. So hoping it's going to get here today, and then I can do the unboxing with you. And later today, so towards the end of the day, around 4, I think, we are going to watch 2 of our grandsons play hockey and then go have dinner out and about. So that'll be fun. I might catch something interesting to share with you. But yeah, it's going to be a slow day today, which I desperately need. So yeah, if I get up to anything interesting, or if my Think Pink box gets here, I'll hop back on. But for now, I'm going to say, see you later. So it only took a year, but hubby finally helped me drill some holes in my sewing table. So there's one there, and there's another one over there, so that all of the power cables from my machines are now going under the table. Let me show you. Oh, there we go. Everything's underneath there in a power bar with a power surge protector and all of the good stuff. So I also was inspired by Katinka, the seamstress at the cottage, to clean up my sewing room a bit. So I dusted and cleaned and rearranged, and now my sewing table is looking very nice, and so is my desk. So everything, as you can see, I'm watching something. Everything's been dusted, and yeah, feels really good to get this done. I don't even know if I'm going to get any sewing in today, but I'm really proud of what I did get done. Hello, I'm back. I'm going to be honest, I don't even know what I recorded today, because I've been filming the tutorial, and then we went out and went to dinner, and then came back and watched the hockey game. So I don't know that you've got a whole lot of footage from me today, but anyways, this came. So finally, Mr. UPS delivered this, and I'm super excited about opening. So let's do that. And yeah, we'll see what else we do. Oh, so pretty. Look at that paper. All right. Beautiful card, as always. Winter Wonderland. So this is box number 34. We've got 2.5 meters of fabric, and there are 3 colorways. And as always, we have the QR code on the back of this card to get more info on the fabric. Okay. Little bag, East of India bag. Oh, all the gifts are in this bag. Oh, I love that. Okay, hold on. Oh, self-covered buttons. Yes. Amazing. I did make one self-covered button last year. That was on my Make 9 list. But now I think I've got the hang of it. So I'm going to use these definitely on a blouse. Our sweet treat is Cadbury Fingers Minis. I love these. Ooh, yes. Wonderland Seed Ball. I have no idea what this is. Wildflowers for shade. Bellflower, Forget-Me-Not, Meadow Buttercup, Meadow Sweet, Oxeye Daisy, Ragged Robin, and Red Campion. Oh, there's seeds. Wildflower seeds in balls of clay, peat-free compost, and chili powder. Simply scatter onto bare soils. Seeds are naturally protected from being eaten by birds and insects. Keep well watered for seeds to germinate. Sprout seen in 2 to 4 weeks. That's so cool. So you put this on, it looks like you just scatter it on the soil. You don't even need to bury them. Okay, I need to find out more info about these, like when we can put them out, because these would be perfect. And I mean perfect for the island. Exciting. Oh gosh, I just saw the fabric. Oh, here's my thread. So this is a gorgeous purple. It's like royal, regal purple. It's stunning. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put that over there. Look at this. Oh, look at, oh, this is amazingly soft. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh, I love it. Love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I can definitely make a top with this. This would be stunning as a top. Like a nice flowy blouse with big bishop sleeves. I don't really have any bottoms. Like on camera, this looks a lot darker than it is in person. I mean, in person, this is like a nice, almost like a cobalt blue with the lilac. It's got cream and a little bit of like a peachy orange. This is absolutely stunning. So I've got 2.5 meters of this. I wonder if I have enough to make a dress. Mind you, if I had like ivory or cream colored pants, this would go really well with them. Like I don't see black with this. Navy blue maybe. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. I don't want to waste this fabric. I want to make something I'm going to wear a lot. Like something I can wear to the office. I'm going to try to see if I can turn you around and check out what he's doing. What are you doing? Oh. Doesn't want to be on camera, apparently. All right, so Amazing, amazing fabric once again. So yeah, I'm going to give this some thought because I want to cut into this fabric ASAP so that I can maybe wear this beautiful blouse to go to my dad's birthday on the 21st. Today's the 5th, so that gives me a little over 2 weeks to get my act together. So yes, I'm gonna, yeah. All right, anywho, it is getting late, so I'm gonna end the video here for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.